The browser object model gives us access to the different functionality that is available in the web browser in the form of objects. The browser itself is represented as the window object in JavaScript, and you have already been using different functions on the window object such as alert, confirm and prompt for pop-ups, set timeout and set interval to invoke your methods on a timely basis or a timely fashion, and also a location object. You have used this when you worked with the onChange event to switch from one location to another in your web browser. The location object is a child object of the window object. You are going to learn few other child objects such as screen, history and navigator in the next few lectures. Using window dot is optional. You can directly use these objects and access the functionality that is available in them. The browser object model is not a part of the JavaScript standard, and it is up to the web browser to provide support for it, and these names can be different in different web browsers, but most of the browsers support the same naming convention which you are going to learn in the next few lectures.